Welcome to our website called The Beatles Trinkets, where little touches of nature and a dash of creativity make every moment a bit more magical. The target customers of our websites are gift seekers, floral and aesthetic lovers, students, and young adults. At the Beatles Trinkets, we craft adorable mini bouquets, keychains, and phone charms that adds a sweet and personalized touch to your daily life, whether you're treating yourself or looking for a perfect gift. These trinkets are made with love and a little sparkle to brighten up your world. Each of our pieces is handicrafted using delicate beads and ribbons to form tiny, beautiful bouquets and trinkets. These aren't just accessories, they're little works of art made with attention to detail and a whole lot of love. Our signature piece includes mini flower bouquets, perfect for decorating your space or giving as a thoughtful gift. Our flower trinkets are portable little blooms you can carry everywhere, adding a pop of charm to your keys, bag, or phone. And for those who want something extra special, we offer personalized flower trinkets where you can add your name or meaningful word to make it uniquely yours. What makes us stand out is our commitment to personalization. You can choose from a variety of colors for your bouquets and even add a costume charm or letter beads to create something that's as individual as you are. We also offer a phone charm, a perfect blend of style and function. Add a floral touch to your phone with customizable charm, featuring your name and a heart charm. It's not just an accessory, it's a way to express who you are. And if you're looking to give someone a thoughtful gift or trinkets, come beautifully packaged and are perfect for any occasion, birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. These trinkets make the most heartful present. Our prices are affordable with mini bouquets starting at just 39 pesos. Flower trinkets are at 44 pesos. And for a personalized touch, you can only customize your trinket for only a little extra. We also offer a phone charm starting at 15 pesos. Whether it's a small token of affection or a personalized piece that says it all, every trinket from the Beatles Trinkets is designed to add a little joy to your day. We believe that the smallest details hold the biggest meaning, and our mission is to bring that magic into your life. Have questions or want to order? You can find us at Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Just search for the Beatles Trinket. We'd love to help you find the perfect charm or bouquet to make your day a little brighter. And if you have any question, you can also see it in our webpage.